Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Mailchimp signup forms after deleting embeds, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore Mailchimp signup forms after deleting embeds, first, log into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the audience section in the main dashboard. Click on signup forms from the audience settings menu. Choose embedded forms to access your saved forms. Locate the form you want to restore. If you've made changes to the form, select Embed Forms and copy the code. Open the HTML editor of the page where the form was originally embedded. Paste the copied code into the HTML where you want the form to appear. Save your changes and publish the content on your website. To ensure the form displays correctly, refresh the page to check the embed. If the form is not visible, clear your browser cache and retry. You can also access the form's settings to customize its appearance. Adjust fields or design elements as needed within Mailchimp. Test the form by filling it out to confirm submissions are collected properly. This will ensure your Mailchimp signup forms are successfully restored. Review any previous analytics to monitor signups after the restoration. Make any necessary adjustments based on user engagement and feedback. That concludes the steps to restore your Mailchimp signup forms after deleting embeds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.